Hello cookbook friends and welcome to the Cookbook Divas YouTube channel. My name is Katie and I'm one of the Cookbook Divas. Today I wanted to talk about Frosted. This is by Bernice Baran and she's got a bakery. It's called Baran Bakery. I'm not sure where it's at, but I was really drawn to this cookbook when we did our podcast and we were doing a bunch of research. The cover is just gorgeous. I would love to do a marbleized cake like this and a bunch of these awesome cupcakes and some other treats on here like some of the brownies and the cinnamon rolls. So I really wanted to look at this cookbook and I am definitely super pleased with it. It's really cool. So let's get started. In the table of contents, it's not super flashy. It just goes straight into frosting. So we've got in the beginning, I'm sorry, there's no pictures. So the beginning we have Frosting 101, Luscious Layers, Sweet Sheets, Cutie Cupcakes, Better Than Classic Cookies, Brownies, Bars, and everything in between, and tasty tarts. I honestly thought this was going to be just a frosting cookbook, but it definitely focuses on frosting, but it's not. It has recipes for all kinds of cool treats. So let me see if I can show you guys a couple pictures in here. There are so many frostings I had no idea about. There's no pictures of the frostings, just the pictures are of the cakes themselves. So like meringue frosting, Russian buttercream, cream cheese frosting, Italian meringue buttercream, French buttercream. I'm excited to see the differences between all of the different frostings. I honestly don't know. It's something I really want to work on. So we have here this gorgeous lemon vanilla bean cake. This looks amazing. It almost looks like little pancakes. So this would be really cool to serve during springtime, actually. Unfortunately, we're a little past that. We have brown butter birthday cake. So of course, everybody loves the confetti stuff in their birthday cakes now. We also have, oh, this one's cool. This one's going to be perfect for the holidays coming up. I just saw it. It was a Gingerbread House cookie. These are really cute and, you know, they're going to be, this is a little simpler instead of actually, you know, building a whole gingerbread house. I like this idea and it's actually kind of a simple recipe. We have chocolate caramel macchiato cookies. Oh my goodness. This looks awesome. There's a lot of photos in here, which I was not expecting. I was expecting a little more, you know, just skills and techniques, kind of just the narrative for it. But, you know, there's a picture for not every cake, but almost everything in here. There's, oh God, these are white chocolate brownies. I'm all for that. That sounds amazing. The one thing I really wish that they had in the frosting section that I'm not seeing is techniques like how to frost. Let's see if I can find anything on that. I'm a really visual learner, so it'd be nice to know how to get some of these beautiful decadent layers. Here's another really, cookie butter cinnamon rolls. I would have not thought about doing this. This looks super good. So I really wish there were more a visualization on how to frost cakes, how to do it properly. You know, the marbling is really awesome on the cover photo, and I just, you know, those are things I'm not really sure how to do, how to pipe properly. So that's something I was kind of hoping for in this cookbook, but I like the variation. And the cool thing about this cookbook is that you can really mix and match your recipes. So you can have, you can do a French buttercream on a brownie. You can kind of mix and match whatever frostings you want, flavors you want. These are just kind of guidelines. So I really like what she's done here. It's a really cool cookbook. It's got a lot of beautiful photos of the cakes, and I'm glad that it's not just frosting too. I'm glad she's provided different cakes, different cookies, other things you can frost, even tarts. So just being a little more creative with your bakes. So this is a really cool cookbook. It's not too big. It's a little small, but it's really awesome. Very simple, perfect for any baker out there. So that's Frosted by Bernice Baran. So thank you guys so much for watching this Cookbook Divas YouTube video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like on your way out. If you want to see more cookbook content, come check us out on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, obviously. We have Pinterest, all the things. So we also have a Cookbook Divas podcast that you guys should come and check out. We try to do weekly roundups and kind of deliver you new cookbooks every week. So, and that airs every Tuesday and Friday. Happy cooking and have a great rest of your week.